Kufitela na pamami.
Yeah, because if you know what, so can I?
I have because we have the free. There be ya.
We in Germany dear. An Austria.
Ebiana skipo airport or Netherlands. Ana Makaya Pia Stadium. If you skipo airport na maybe you hear more airport for be a corner in channel say Pia unya ba ne say is obviously the one need to quiet the papa. Yeah, that's why pe omo kwa ko piem e Budapest this season in the Champions League final. And I can say more Ghana. I see it channel. Nane channel no. The journey to Budapest is slowly but surely getting very, very interesting. Enra, there were 2 games I also in the first leg of the quarterfinals of the Champions League, and then there will be 2 other games in the first leg. Now, Obia otie mi enu bia beja tum say results na course enu no me enyem nwanwa ba ku say because rich ubekaya enu me catch you say this Real Madrid Bayern game no a game bia we are supposed to expect a chaotic game. 2 teams that are well built to attack each other. 2 teams are obeying say the opponent a defense and you're so tight. Now, what will make the difference? Who then becomes clinical? Enti where the real game no koye na ni chances a bad game any do team finishing the chances more, which is Bayern won the game. It's as simple as that. Now I have a problem. And Enra, I mention it. So Bekaya, Mekachi will say, the moment Real Madrid want to play in a 4-4-2, our Bayern will want to play in a 4-3-3. Real Madrid a problem, and that is why sometimes Real Madrid struggle to beat teams that are more expansive football. Rich, say over 2 top in the modern gamer. Na unsaid ni wingers. I was out 2 top ni mo. I very very likely say u 2 top ni mo no. And ebe ma wing play. They will always and as all game there. Mbappe or Vinicius, so anytime they get the ball in at offensive position, and I had already predicted say they will get it in the flank channels, you know. Who is there to finish the ball?
The ball about 18 hours will be able to finish it.
And see, Upamecano, Moni, Jonathan Tam, they are not the best of defenders, but who is on them? And that is where sometimes, you know, you see the difference between Arbeloa and Carlo Ancelotti. You know, Ancelotti will read the game and at a point in time throw in the backcourt or your top class or your top class. On him say, what I need in this game. A center forward or my presence in the box, then I can have my chance. And to him, timer Bayern bar second half now, right in the first minute, or say second goal. No, I was expecting say in 50th minute, Arbeloa will make a change and bring in someone who will give Real Madrid presence in the box. Because that time, Rich, you don't need 4 midfielders still in the game when you are losing it. You don't need that. You need to take 1 midfielder out, bring in a center forward striker in Gonzalo. But these coaches and the way sometimes and so who game from the bench, you know, are quite very, very different. Now with Real Madrid for 2 top, you know, our more born in Nara or Muankasa and they say provide you more weight, you know. So who call the other side? Only say will be on the right. Luis Diaz will be on the left. Harry Kane, our center forward. Even for Harry Kane, Osha game critically. With Kimmich and Pavlovic as 2 central midfielders, pivots for team and friend Real Madrid, Harry Kane and Sergi Gnabry kept rotating. 9 and 10, 9 and 10. We ban the chica Canavia could any more kakra there are some sequences about Harry Kane the number 9. Now we have a number 10. Look, Harry Kane go no share, you know, was when he has moved into a number 10 position. Right behind my friend Real Madrid, almost center half, you know, Ojomachi pair. Sniffing say, Abrante friend Chomani probably will lose him because Chomani himself Harry Kane is striker. It's on your responsibility. And your Rudy Gamone didn't have some more responsibility. And it's a Harry Kane movie. Hardly not Chomani because oh way I am responsibility to go take care of. So rotation now on this side now be no. Sometimes can beat anybody on the picture. Harry Kane 18 now rich. They are asking our TNT Sports say probably we watch so much of Premier League, La Liga, any leagues are Casino. We don't really watch the Bundesliga. But it is right within the conversation. Say open and a front three are very, very powerful.
Bayern.
That only say Luis Diaz Harry Kane combo a massive. And on any good day against any good team, Rich, you come up against them, you are in for a very, very good battle. Now, another idea game was decided. And now I catch you. Said Trent is good. And now look at the passes. Look at the assists for Mbappe. And he gave 2 long passes here. From where he stood, straight it was a chance. Sakarema did the Yamunioma Yekakrebia. But Rich, he is not a good defender. And Luis Diaz the only side because on him Trent, about Liverpool, he got the better side of him. Harry Kane and an 11 goal in this season's Champions League. And this front three are devastating. But Rich, before I end the Real Madrid Bayern, you go game new year. Manono ya won the player of the match.
Yeah.
Say say it was going to be a game chaotic. So waiting free now we have to free. See about that game new year. Say best player of the game Manono ya. What it means is that Obia to take the free need. But probably Bayern Munich had a goalkeeper. Oma free na Real Madrid Etienne. Oma antiswaba bebre. Send omunya Enka Courtois so than the other side. Fantastic. So sometimes the small details need be near.
No, Mbappe will be pa.
Manoni
stretching everything.
Look, Minka said Harry Kane go no one bobo ni. But Rich, Courtois could have done something about that. Yes, and it original. Or telling in Sapeno and can say Courtois would have done something about Sago, no. And see, that is it. Sadio man kitten na games be say, it showed the difference, Almost say in the last 5 knockout games at Real Madrid abo in the Champions League, Omolusu first leg no ofie ni na omu film.
Okay.
But Rich, we are in for a game at the Allianz Arena.
Time in your dead.
Look, Real Madrid fears no fall. So other form Nana.
2-1.
Other form. He will fear no fall at the Allianz Arena. He will come at you up as any baby and find because so you need to know the other. You must be afraid of a Real Madrid in that kind of mood. I will give you say, oh, Bibi Ako, let me go all out and see some team revive it, my competition now. That is very, very dangerous for team and friend Bayern, and they must be very, very careful about it. And I'm a catcher. So I'm not expecting a lot of goals in this game, and I'm expecting the whole game to be Arsenal team and managing the tie to bring it to England. And it was Sabe Pepe and a see. Rich, this season team behind team in the Champions League. 11 games. The only draw was against Bayern Leverkusen in the first leg of the last, Behind team, your friend Arsenal, and that is very, very good about them. And they control possession 55.9% as to 44.1% from Sporting Club de Portugal. Yes, Sporting falling your chances, but and catch you. Say because there will be huge burden on them. Says Omen later no Portugal. They have no chance at the Emirates. Every moment a GT kaka. as against Arsenal, so you're very solid defensively, and they have a very, very good goalkeeper in Abrantia Efeno, David Raya, Kai Havertz, and the only goal at the team Efeno Arsenal. Then again, and come on, idea about Arsenal, anyhow deep almost squad came to bear. Martinelli no provided assist, no. Any Kai Havertz or Shea Godina came from the bench, and Omutimi ever contributed to Arsenal 4 goals from the bench. And Arsenal and this season in the Champions League. Rich, David Raya is having a season of his life. 15 clean sheets in the English Premier League, 7 clean sheets in the Champions League. That is the kind of season this goalkeeper is having. And we are 2 games in goalkeepers and a man of the match. You see, and we are Arsenal win or winning, Rich, NBA Kwayon. So at least Premier League will get 5 teams at least in the Champions League. Enti obi brought me be for obi.
Omo boy ya no. Oh. Come come for in Champions League mo.
Media anyam na me kai. But the good thing is that Arsenal abwa Premier League to get more
Liverpool for the year he say. Ana tofa o mo jimi ngrom.
The Liverpool for the no.
Yeah ni dia. Inconsistency ni
adore.
Yes, too much. And never might be a Chelsea afa ho abeda. Take no money ayina ko.
Anything that Chelsea who has me yan sa. So because Nkuma the Chelsea nim but
so okofa the likely fate club over free England akopo Champions League.
But the any can table na because table
here table no me head the other fit na. Ne performance no na say ni koyi.
But table here die Chelsea.
Never mo mafa ho. Can some go basa ko.
Each and I have 2 games quickly. That was our games, So now yentimi Emrefi. First one no a game there because so I was Spotify company. The biamtaka some way. Yes, familiarity breeds contempt. Even those you perceive as great. Because they are close to them. Nti you will be who pay you are starstruck. Say, hey, as we see here, marriage in kunu anana ire anana mbano. Otibu kra have a reason console. No only need ya go say, hey, on very no. If you are sanity, adie bi ebe too familiar. Na astati a breed contempt, and that is what this Barcelona Atletico Madrid now say games be brain or more bon. That is very, very significant in the tie. Now, Mami Mao, the conundrum of Hansi Flick. Nancy Wako Wanda. Wako she Atletico 2-1. Rich. Say on any about 2 ties in the Champions League. Obia him say and can normal circumstances. So winning tie bisana. So fear because away is not guaranteed. But Rich, I could say no away on chair. Ujini say Barcelona and the Flick team no. Abeka say any game no all die because you need chance ever wonder. They will not say that. They will say you more game no as said the ebo see a second leg now. No matter the results, and also we can go and take care of it. Send the able game no because one that holding your baby a quite intimate. You can lose game or this season in the Copa del Rey, but in the league you continue to show more. Now, Rich, that's too many games now. Barca have to analyze the situation with Atletico. No, it's not good. It's not because sometimes it gets you even confused. What you really need to do in these ties. Look, my share Atletico, my share Barcelona. But Rich, what is going to be different in any game, no? And they say, the last time na Barcelona ko share Atletico, no?
2-1, no?
Nancy
2-1.
Had no Lookman.
Okay.
Had no Julian Alvarez. They were rested for some particular game way. And look, Diego Simeone said at the Spotify company, Uchumutaya Barcelona will play their high line will place our game now supporters no eta omachi omoba so omoba omo attack one so omo attack enti our the weapons no ho on a very very good day they can silence Barcelona our camp no ho if enoma koye mo but Simeone problem kese and say Rich in the past no Diego Gordon mo as ni defenders no in games we say so I say or rely on the moments where Lookman, Alvarez, Griezmann can hurt Barca. No, or worry, say the defense and in the midfield were solid. Until they will resist Barcelona until they get their moment. But Rich, any Molina, Lenormand, Hanku, say a Pubilo, say a Wogari, they can't stand Barcelona attacking them in droves. On what attack they they break, then Barcelona will score. And here from Barcelona team no and say Rich Jules Koundé comes back because we say against Atletico Araujo echo bench because no prakakra. So Jules Koundé ever right back ho. Omo board the other game no say Cancelo left back. Gerard Martin Kubasi 4 and 5 no solid. Now Marc Bernat so be Eric Garcia echo right back. But Marc Bernat will pra. So Eric Garcia then will start on number 6 alongside Pedri. Then there is a praise for Fermin Lopez, even though or a 1 yellow card away from suspension. Rich, Lamine Yamal on the right, Rashford on the left. Now, almost say Osha graphic here, and Robert Lewandowski lead the attack. You know. But Rich, close us say, I'm sure it could be again. Sad Daniel almost force number 9. No?
Okay.
Our boy against one Metropolitano. No? Because even Enra in Barcelona training, it was Daniel Olmo as the first number 9 ever. Probably at a point in time, they can move Fermin out because of the yellow card. No, bring Daniel Olmo to number 10 and introduce Robert Lewandowski probably in the second half. Now Olmo etimiabo. Rich. Obiasi basabeshe. Right? Obiasi basabeshe. I just hope ebesa. But also more money to because team our friend Diego Simeone has really planned for that game with Barca favorites. Our paper so Kesiepa. So I will go for
America
so just
PSG Liverpool na Emrefi.
Which PSG Liverpool no Rich, I think that it is similar to Real Madrid and Bayern game. Very very similar. I have one problem with Anna Slots. And this is the problem, Rich. Liverpool born almost you know. Practically, this is what they want to do. But they are not effective at it. And no more, yeah, the weight there. But Rich, Salah has lost form.
Uniform gra.
Our Godi Gapo. Our player be say Ishak Mo, who Omebe tormented our wings, but he chose to play for a vet, who is a midfielder. And also only never on man wait on football and go bar line go to and for on more diet football. Did any pass? And see, I'm a Liverpool flanks no, and so that any effective to say club time no. Number 2, Enka I'm a strategy na ha Obeka Ayala meti o can say. But unim dia me pay every game nim. And coming nyaya. Me Salah any foreign vet will go inside. Nanka Frempo any kitchen at the free abema me wait na me pay. That is how I want to play. So that I can have more players within and around the box of the opponent. No matter me overload them, no matter me show them. But Rich Milos Kekic, Jeremy Frimpong, and so have not been very, very consistent. And to say those days now yet trend. Any Robert Sina, they were very effective during club time. That is the problem of Liverpool. That is the problem of Liverpool. Now against this Paris Saint-Germain team, Rich, they can go to sleep sometimes. But in a big game of money, we all know what they can do. So complicated with Mendes and Hakimi. So Mubo 2. So Mubo Savino. So Mubo inside though. You don't know. They just keep rotating on the pitch. And they have Desiree Doué Any cover, Rich, they are very, very devastating with direct football on their flanks. Liverpool problem. Minimum so we are sharing team. But Rich, even it's a tie way, Liverpool will up their pedigree. Nobody will Paris Saint-Germain. I think said there need to be a game at the Anfield. And you pack the Princess. And see, my money is on Paris Saint-Germain. And then you said they will be able to do the job on Team FN Liverpool. The least risk bet I bet will be a PSG a double chance and then game. I'm rich. Let me give our listeners code. I think the codes are 3. There should be 3. Yeah. Okay. So 3 codes for the first one. A BW 4C3 D7 D17. And a second one is here BW 4C3 D5 1E5. And the last one is BW 4C3 D48 4E. And the 3 codes 5 odds, 11 odds, 7 odds. Oko Exa. Na Oko my account to AYALA. I verify that on Sabeka Oko Facebook. Besmako Usubempa AYALA and she verify on Sabeka AYALA Sports Facebook. On Sabeka o join me Telegram and me WhatsApp channel so there and also on Sabeka also nti Yankofo nhia ento zupangu so na nyumre so you enjoy football. Send enra you enjoy football. 2 very, very good games and we are up for it and nyumre.
As a Chelsea fan, I prefer Barcelona.